Good morning F2G and welcome to Tuesday morning's video. I hope you all had a lovely afternoon and enjoyed Natasha's story yesterday afternoon and are ready for another day of home learning. Today in your literacy you will do your last Read Write Inc activity for this week. Keep going. I have to say that the work that is coming into your portfolios has been absolutely amazing. Your handwriting is improving big time. I'm seeing loads of people remembering their capital letters and their whooshes. I'm also enjoying getting videos of you reading and practicing your real and alien words, so keep it up. I have no doubt that when we come back to school, you guys are all going to be expert readers. Keep practicing, boys and girls. In maths, today we're going to continue with positional language. And today there's a little movement PowerPoint to get you started, where you have to listen to the instruction and move your body to what it says. So for example, jump to the left or take a step forward. And that is important today because we're going to beginning to look at some mapping, okay? And mapping, following the map really. And there's a lovely game or app that I want you to download onto your device. You cannot use it on a laptop or computer. You must download it onto a iPad or a phone. I have it on my phone here, and it's the Bee-Bot games. Now we have the real Bee-Bots in school, but because we're not there, we can't use them. So we're going to use the app, which is just as good and just as fun. Okay, this app is free, so you'll just need your mums and dads to download it for you. And when it opens up, it looks like this. Oops, it's gone. And you can just press start. And there are 2 free levels. The 2 bottom ones are coming soon. They're not ready yet, but the 2 top ones are the free ones. And I would suggest that you will start with the garden activity because they are easier. There are many different levels. As you can see, Miss McCormick has played level 1 and level 2. I must practice level 3 today. And when you go into the games, I just want to show you the controllers. So you will move the Bee-Bot to the treasure or to the flower using the arrows down here. Now there is an instructions back on the main page that can help you. This question mark and this orange section here, if you can see, says how to play. So you can read that with your mums and dads and then give level 1 or the 2 games a go. It's about mapping, boys and girls. And the last activity I have planned for you today is a blind treasure hunt. I have put the rules to the game. I printed they're there on as a link so you can have a read through them and have some fun with your family. It would be lovely to see you all out playing blind treasure hunts. Okay, so that's maths for today. And in your cross-curricular, we're going to continue looking at the farm and where items come from. So I have a few items here. You were looking at different types of vegetables and fruits yesterday. So I have some items here. I looked in my fridge. I have lots of them. So I'm just going to hold them up for you. And lots of these items come from, or part of them comes from the farm. So even foods that come in cans. So this is sweet corn. This is a vegetable and it comes from the farm too. And I have some tomatoes. So just because they grow on the farm doesn't always mean they come in that shape or that form. So I want you to have a look in your fridges and discuss where the items come from. Because, this doesn't grow anywhere on the farm. Doesn't look like this on the farm. But how is it made? What items come from the farm? And if we look at the ingredients here, it says flour, which comes from the farm. But where does it grow on the farm? Sugar also can come from the farm. Salt, yeast, and some water Okay, so these items don't look like this when they're on the farm, but when they're mixed together, they can make different items. So look in your fridge and see, where do they come from? Do they grow? Are they natural? Or do they need to go to a factory to be created into something else? Can you remember from last week where I said yogurts come from? Yes, they can be made from milk. So the milk, they don't look like milk. They're not the milk you drink. So they must go and be changed into another form in a factory. Okay, boys and girls, so that is your cross-curricular activity for today. There is a PowerPoint to help you explain where some foods come from. And then Miss Hornibrook has planned this activity. So she wants you to open up your fridge and see how many things you can name and where they come from on the farm. Okay, now today's special guest reader is going to be, drumroll, Neela. So Neela's story was the second story that came into my email, and she will be today's special storyteller at the end of the day. We're looking forward to that, Neela, and I can't wait to see your story. Boys and girls, have a lovely morning, and I will see you in your Zoom meeting at either 10, 11 and 12, where I have quite a funny little story for you today. Okay, bye for now.